Welcome back. Today on the Blackstone, we're going to be cooking chickpea burgers. They're vegan and gluten-free. Let's get started. Perfect for your next gathering or cozy dinner at home. Meal prep a batch to freeze and have these burgers on hand when time is limited. Here's what you'll need: egg replacer, water, gluten-free oats, chickpeas, minced garlic, sweet peppers, Dijon mustard, gluten-free soy sauce, Italian seasoning, avocado oil, and gluten-free rolls. For the burger toppings, we have sliced tomato. I like using the meaty Roma tomatoes. Next, thinly slice 2 cups of iceberg lettuce for that crunch. Finally, my favorite Hellmann's plant-based mayo dressing. The best deal on this is a 3-pack on Amazon. Now chop the sweet peppers and the white onions into bite-sized pieces. This will allow for even mincing in the food processor. If you want to skip this step, put them in the food processor first, mix, and then add the other ingredients. First up, let's prepare our egg replacer. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of the egg replacer with 2 tablespoons of water. Stir it up and set it aside. I love this product. It's such a good binding for plant-based burgers and baking. Each pack is 34 eggs, so it'll stretch your dollar far. Now grab your food processor, add oats, chickpeas, garlic, sweet peppers, Dijon mustard, soy sauce, and Italian seasoning. Next, use a spatula and push the mixture down to the sides. Then add the egg replacer mixture and then mix. Look at that beautiful burger mix. Blend it all together. We're looking for that thick mixture, so don't overdo it. You want to see some bits of oats, chickpeas, bell peppers for that perfect texture. You want the mix to be this consistency. Time to shape our patties. Use a burger mold or your hands to form the mixture into patties. Perfect. The trays are all ready to be transported outside to the grilling area. Now let's fire up the grill. Preheat your flat top grill to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I use my digital thermometer to make sure the grill is the perfect temperature. Spray a generous amount of avocado oil. Now we're ready to cook these beauties. I transfer them right from the mold to the grill. Cook each burger patty until they're lightly browned on each side. These burgers don't take long on the grill. They tend to be soft once they are cooked on the grill, but they will harden once they're cooled down. Time to build the burgers. Place each patty on a char gluten-free ciabatta roll. Add a slice of tomato, some crunchy lettuce, and a dollop of Hellmann's plant-based mayo. And there you have it, mouth-watering gluten-free chickpea burgers that are sure to impress. Serve with your favorite cookout side dish. I will link a few recipes below for some ideas. These burgers are bursting with flavor. You gotta try this recipe at home. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell for more delicious recipes. Check my website for a full printable recipe and most of the products and ingredients I've used are linked in the description below. See you next time.